Okay, last day today in Saigon. So I've headed to the Binh Chinese market in Chinatown, District 5. So I thought we'd have a look around there before my time is up. So this in District 5. And already I can see just from looking at some of the stalls on the way is the prices are so much cheaper here. So let's see what we can find in here. We have a little look around. It's a lot different than the Binh market, that's for sure. I wonder will I get hassled as much in here as I did in the other markets. So from what I've seen outside, the prices are about a quarter of what they are in the big market, the big Saigon market. Seem to have a lot more household type things in this market, not so much souvenirs. Doesn't seem to be too many tourists in this market either. All sorts of foods, but I've no idea what they are. Mushrooms, dried prunes, looks like pepper, lots of vegetables in jars, and lots of eggs, I think. This is the fresh meat, I think, section, obviously. Bit of a gloomy, it's more of a working class market here. Let's continue on out of this section, a bit smelly here. Costume jewellery. Bit of everything in this market, but it looks of it. On the way in, I could see there was like a street market with like animals selling chickens and live things of all sorts. So I might head back out that way in a while and have a look. This market's so big, it's huge. It looks like it's food that way. I've already eaten, so we won't go that way. Head this way. Incense. You get some dollars there. Hello. Well, there's a second level to this market. A lot of clothing, towels, shoes, bags, that type of stuff on the second level, and prices seem to be pretty reasonable. Huh? A lot of the stalls seem to be selling the same stuff over and over. So we're up on the second level, so that's the bottom level. That's where I was a while ago, where all the cooking utensils and the food area. I think we'll make our way back down. Okay, I think we'll head out this way. Have a look outside. It's a bit drab and dreary in here. Okay, I've headed back out of that market. I'm going to try and find this street market with all the live chickens and things like that. It looked an interesting place to walk through, so let's see, can I find that. I know it's this direction somewhere because we passed it in the taxi on the way here. So this is just outside that market, which I can't remember the name of, the Chinatown market. busy area, as you can see. Okay, let's continue on. I'm going to try and get across to that other side over there, the opposite side of where those buses are, because that's the way I came in. That's an interesting looking building there, isn't it? Without all that stuff in front, I'm sure it'll be a really nice building. Anyway, let's continue. Bit of a mixed bag in what they sell around here. It's like a bit of everything, really. Okay, I think I found the area I'm looking for eventually. I'll make my way across this craziness to the other side. Okay, this seems to be a bit of a live animal market down this way. Chickens seem to be the popular thing to sell along here. Oh, and ducks, geese, whatever they are. Fresh fish. Okay, still in District 5. I think I've stumbled upon an area obviously for car parks and bike parks and all sorts. Have a little wander around here, see what we can see. All sorts of work going on. There's a little alleyway here. I might have a wander and see what we can see. This looks like it cuts through back out onto our main road. Let's have a look at what's in here. Bartering going on for parts. Definitely full of workshops. Not many footpaths to walk on either around here. Every shop, car parts, bike parts. There'll be no shortage of business for fixing bikes and getting bike parts, I would imagine. never-ending trail of tourists coming down this particular stretch.
Cho đồ anh đang đứng này một món
Every path for a motorbike you can imagine, you can get in here. It's obviously where you come to get your coffins made. Let's go over and have a look at these guys, see what they're doing. Looks like they're making a coffin. Beautiful decoration on it. Look at it. Beautiful. Coffin? Yeah, dead? Oh, okay, yeah. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. So it's all done by hand? Yeah. Wow. See all the different coffins in there. Beautiful. Okay, I have a look. Have a look. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, all the different types of coffins. Look at the design. See all the different design coffins that they make. Wow. Look at the designs of all of them. The amount of work that would go into each one of them. All done by hand, I think. Thank you. We'll continue. Okay, that brings my Vietnam travels to an end. So that was an enjoyable 10 days traveling and walking the streets of Saigon. Really enjoyed it. And now it's time to go back to Australia. So yeah.